Hello, my name is Keith Reno with the Reno team of Wintrust Mortgage, and this is brought to you by the Gregory Real Estate Group. I want to talk about pre-qualification and pre-approval. What are the differences and what do these two things mean? A pre-qualification is an individual verbally sharing information with someone like myself, a loan officer, about their income, assets, and debts. Then that loan officer can give that individual a general idea as to what some options will be as far as down payment, monthly payment, and closing costs. The proper first step when looking to obtain real estate is getting pre-approved. And I'll explain the importance of the pre-approval here in just a second. The big difference from the pre-qualification to the pre-approval is the loan officer should be obtaining the income and asset information and running credit and properly completing the application. That way, that loan officer should really be able to ensure that there's not going to be any issues once that individual finds a property, gets their offer accepted, and starts to actually go about obtaining the home loan. In my opinion, the biggest importance around this pre-approval is ensuring that that individual, let's call it that individual buyer, that their escrow deposit is not going to be at risk. When we are purchasing real estate, especially here in California, and your offer is accepted, you're typically bringing in a good faith escrow deposit of several $1,000s. And myself as a lender, or really any lender, should take the approach that we want to ensure that those thousands of dollars aren't going to be at risk based upon the loan. So by us gathering the income and asset documentation, reviewing credit, properly going over the options with that customer, will ensure that once that property is obtained, the offer is accepted, and escrow is moving forward, that we can have a smooth transaction from that point, and that financing is readily available for that customer. So the pre-approval is to protect you as the borrower, and then why a pre-approval letter is oftentimes sent in with that purchase contract to that seller is so the seller knows that financing is ready and available for that buyer, so that seller could then feel comfortable accepting the offer. So pre-qualification, it's just verbal. Really, the pre-approval, that's what holds the weight, and that's what you need in today's market. And please do feel comfortable contacting me with any questions or to start the pre-approval process. And again, real estate questions, always contact the Gregory Real Estate Group. Thank you so much.